Stacy, there you are. What are you doing here? You're going to miss a psychology exam.
Alan, hi. I'm not sure I can face the psychology exam. I get so confused about the different nervous systems, it stresses me out.
Perhaps I can help you. It's not that hard. What are you confused about?
Well, I understand the central nervous system, that's made up of the brain and the spinal cord. But the peripheral nervous system, what is that all about?
Okay, the peripheral nervous system, that is the nervous system that acts as a communication channel between the brain and the body. There are two parts to the system. The first part is the somatic nervous system. This is a network of sensory neurons that carry information received by sensory receptors to the CNS. It has a motor neuron network too, with nerves that carry information from the CNS to control voluntary movements of skeletal muscles.
Okay, so that's the nervous system that is activated when I touch something cold, like an ice cube.
Right, your somatic nervous system sends signals from the skin to your brain via the spinal cord, resulting in your experience of the sensation of cold. You use your motor neurons to control talking, walking and so on. When the CNS sends a message via the motor neurons, it reaches a muscle and a neurotransmitter is released. This helps send a neural message from the neuron to the muscle.
I know what a neurotransmitter is. It's a chemical substance that transmits messages from one neuron to another neuron nearby. Neurotransmitters are stored in sacs called vesicles.
Right. So that's the somatic nervous system. The second part of the peripheral nervous system is the autonomic nervous system.
This is the part that I find really confusing. Something about the nervous system being sympathetic.
The autonomic nervous system connects the CNS with the body's internal organs and glands, providing feedback to the brain about their activities. It does have two parts. The first part is the sympathetic branch. This is responsible for increasing the activity of muscles, organs and glands during intense activity or stress.
This is the part that is affecting me now. I feel really stressed, and my heart is racing, my palms are sweaty, and I'm sure my blood pressure is really high. I feel really alert. I couldn't eat breakfast today, I felt so nervous.
Right, so you are stressed by the exam, so your sympathetic nervous system causes your body to release adrenaline, which makes you more alert and ready for action.
I need to calm down, I can't do the exam feeling like this. What is the opposite of the sympathetic nervous system?
Well, actually a bit of stress can be good for your brain. But in answer to your question, the opposite is the parasympathetic nervous system. This is responsible for decreasing the activity of muscles, organs and glands and keeping the body functioning in a normal state. It works when you are feeling calm. Both of the systems are active at the same time, but one usually dominates over the other. That's really all there is to it, we don't need to know more than that. Of course, there is a lot more detail, but we're in year 10, we're not postgraduate students.
That's great, thank you so much for your help. Let's get to that exam.